I, Vasundhara Shukla, Assistant Professor in Electrical Electronics Department. Today we discuss the topic of amplitude modulation. First, we discuss what is amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation is a process in which amplitude of carrier is varied in accordance with the instantaneous value of modulating signal. Now we discuss types of amplitude modulation. There are four types of amplitude modulation. First is DSBFC, double sideband full carrier. We also known as AM, amplitude modulation. Second is DSBSC, double sideband suppressed carrier. Third is SSBHC, single sideband suppressed carrier. And last, VSB, vestigial sideband. Now we discuss the double sideband full carrier. The AM signal is obtained by adding large carrier power A cos omega CT with modulating signal, where we get equation phi AMT equals to A cos omega CT plus F of t cos omega CT, where A cos omega ct is the carrier, f of t is the modulating signal. When carrier and modulating signal is added, we get the modulated signal of DSB-FC, and phi AMT is the modulated signal. Now we discuss amplitude modulation frequency spectrum and bandwidth. The bandwidth of AM wave is twice the bandwidth of baseband signal. The AM signal also produce two sideband. First is upper sideband and second is lower sideband, corresponding to each frequency component present in the baseband signal. So we get bandwidth equals to upper sideband minus lower sideband. Upper sideband equals to carrier frequency plus modulating frequency, where we get omega c plus omega m. And lower sideband is omega c minus omega m. When we subtract upper sideband minus lower sideband, we get bandwidth of AM wave, that is 2FM. Now we discuss modulation index. Modulation index is defined as the measure of extent of amplitude variation to the maximum carrier. The maximum amplitude of modulating signal is E of M, and the maximum amplitude of carrier is E of C. So we get the modulation index formula EM divided by E of C. When we find the modulation index in terms of percentage, so we multiply with 100, so we get the modulation index in terms of percentage. Now we solve the question of modulation index. In question, we have given carrier voltage is 9 volt and modulating signal voltage is 7.5 volt, and find the modulation index. We know that the modulation index formula is maximum amplitude of modulating signal divided by maximum amplitude of carrier. In question, we have given carrier voltage, maximum amplitude of carrier is 9 volt and maximum amplitude of modulating signal is 7.5 volt. When we divide it, we get the 0.83, and when we find the modulation index in terms of percentage, we multiply with 100, so we get 83.33, and modulation index is unitless quantities, so mm, we get modulation index 83.33 percentage in terms of percentage. Now we discuss the condition of modulation index. First condition is over modulation. The modulation index should be between 0 and 1. When amplitude of modulating voltage is higher than carrier voltage, we get the modulation index greater than 1. In this condition, we get the distortion, we get distorted modulated wave. Next condition is ideal modulation, where m equals to 1. In this condition, amplitude of modulating signal is less than carrier amplitude, so we get no distortion, and this is an ideal condition of modulation. Next condition is under modulation, where modulation index is less than 1. In this condition also, AM signal can recover with no distortion. Now we discuss single tone modulation. When we consider the modulating signal value single, we called as single tone modulation. Now we derive the single tone modulation. In single tone modulating signal, where modulating signal is given Em equals to Em cos omega mt and carrier signal is given E of C cos omega ct, and we have to derive Am wave expression and modulation in Am wave expression in terms of modulation index. We know that amplitude modulated equation is phi Amt equals to A cos omega ct plus Ft cos omega ct. In this question, we have given carrier E of C cos omega ct. When we compare with standard equation, so we get amplitude of carriers E of C, and f of t value given in question is modulating signal value is Em cos omega mt. So we here input in formula phi Amt equals to, here A is replaced with E of C. So E of C cos omega ct plus f of t value is given as Em cos omega mt. So where we put Em cos omega mt and cos omega ct is already given. So we get the modulated signal equation in terms of single tone modulation. Next question, we have derived the amplitude modulation equation in terms of modulation index. We know that modulation index is equal to maximum amplitude of modulating signal to maximum amplitude of carrier signal. In equation, when we have common the carrier signal, we have get E of C bracket of 1 plus Em divided by E of C cos omega mt bracket close cos omega ct, where E of m divided by E of C is equal to m of A, that is modulation index. So we have get the modulated equation in terms of modulation index.